Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Flow Migration Law channel. I'm Jay, the Principal Migration Lawyer here. Today, we're diving into what I consider one of the most personal and pivotal parts of any Australian partner visa application, the relationship statement. Many people think of it as just another task to complete, but it's so much more than that. It's your chance to give your application a human voice and to tell your unique story. A poorly handled statement can unfortunately create confusion, while a well-prepared one can really help the department understand the truth of your connection. So let's get into 3 practical tips to help you write a statement that truly reflects your relationship. Alright, the first things first. A question I get all the time is, can we just write one statement together and both sign it? While it might seem easier, the best approach is for the visa applicant and the sponsor to each write their own separate statement. Think about it this way. The department's assessing the commitment from both of you. When you each write your own narrative, it gives 2 personal accounts that can support and enrich one another. It allows you both to express in your own words how you feel, what the relationship means to you, and how you see your future. It gives the case officer a much more rounded and genuine insight into your partnership. So tip number 1 is simple. 2 separate statements, one from each of you. It's a fundamental step in building a solid application. Tip 2, write the statements together but separately. Okay, that leads directly into my second tip, which might sound a bit like a riddle. You need to write your statements together but separately. What do I mean by that? Well, one of the most common issues that can raise red flags is inconsistency. Imagine the case officer reading your statement and you say you had your first date in March, but your partner's statement says it was in May. Or you describe a key event one way and your partner describes it completely differently. These little mismatches can create doubt. To avoid this, you should plan together. Sit down and create a shared roadmap of your relationship. Map out the key dates, the milestones, how you met, when you decided to commit to each other, and major events. Once you have that shared timeline clear, you then go and write your statements individually. This way, the core facts are consistent, but the story is told in your own voice, with your own feelings and perspective. It maintains that personal touch while ensuring the details align perfectly. And for our third and most detailed tip, you need to explain the full context of your relationship, not just that you're in love. Saying we love each other and enjoy spending time together is nice, but it doesn't give the department the tangible information they need to assess your application. They are legally required to look at your relationship through a specific lens, which is broken down into 4 key pillars. Your statement should provide evidence for all 4. First, the social aspects. How do you present yourselves to the world as a couple? Talk about friends and family who know about your relationship. Mention joint travel, events you attended together, or social media where you're recognized as a couple. Second, the financial aspects. How do you support each other financially? This could be a joint bank account, sharing rent or mortgage payments, or one person supporting the other. Explain how you make financial decisions together. Third, the nature of your household. How do you live together day to day? Describe how you share chores, who pays which bills, and how your living space is set up. Even if you're living apart for now, you can explain how you manage your separate households in support of each other. And fourth, the nature of your commitment. This is about your future. Talk about your shared plans, your knowledge of each other's personal circumstances, and the long-term intentions you have for a life together in Australia. Walking the reader through these 4 pillars gives them a complete and tangible picture of your genuine and continuing relationship. So to recap, 2 separate statements, plan them together to ensure consistency and structure the story around those 4 pillars. Putting together a detailed statement takes time and thought, but it's one of the most powerful ways you can present your case. Your story is unique, and this document is where you get to share it. Now, drawing on my experience from over 8 years dedicated to helping couples and families with Australian immigration, I know that getting this right is so important. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed or just want to make sure you're on the right track, we've developed some helpful tools. You can download our free partner visa guide from our website. The link is in the description box below. It has prompts and planning tools that can help structure your thoughts. And of course, if you would like direct personal guidance tailored to your specific situation, please reach out to us at Flow Migration Law. We're here to help you navigate the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.